What if I told you that one of the ocean's most intelligent and powerful predators isn't a shark, but a whale? Meet the orca, also known as the killer whale, a creature as beautiful as it is deadly. Today, we dive into the world of the orca, how it hunts, how it thinks, and why this black and white giant is one of the most fascinating animals on the planet. Stay until the end. You might never look at the ocean the same way again. The orca, Orcas orca, is the largest member of the dolphin family and is found in oceans all around the world, from icy Arctic waters to tropical seas. With their distinctive black and white coloring and striking dorsal fins, orcas are instantly recognizable. Adult males can grow up to 30 feet long and weigh over 6 tons, while females are slightly smaller. Despite being called killer whales, they aren't whales at all. They're actually giant dolphins. Orcas are apex predators, meaning they have no natural enemies. But what truly sets them apart is their intelligence and hunting strategy. Orcas don't just chase prey. They plan, coordinate, and communicate. In fact, orcas are known to hunt in pods or family groups, using techniques so complex they've been compared to wolf packs or even human armies. Some will create waves to knock seals off ice floes. Others beach themselves to grab prey before slipping back into the sea. Different pods of orcas have different cultures, meaning they pass down unique hunting methods and vocalizations from generation to generation. For example, some orcas specialize in hunting fish like salmon, while others target larger prey such as sea lions, dolphins, or even whales. This cultural variation is rare in the animal kingdom and shows just how advanced orca societies really are. Its intelligence, not just instinct, that drives their behavior. Their brains are among the largest of any marine mammal, and their emotional and social intelligence is striking. Orcas form deep bonds with family members and often stay with their mothers for life. They play, they grieve, and they even teach their young. Studies suggest they can recognize themselves in mirrors and understand complex communication. It's no surprise many scientists consider them one of the smartest animals on Earth. Orcas also have an impressive ability called echolocation, which allows them to see with sound. They emit clicks that bounce off objects, helping them hunt in dark or murky water. This sonar-like system is so precise that they can detect fish hiding under rocks or navigate through narrow ice tunnels. Combined with sharp eyesight, powerful muscles, and a complex brain, orcas are perfectly equipped for life at the top of the food chain. Despite their fierce reputation, orcas almost never attack humans in the wild. In fact, there are no confirmed fatal attacks by wild orcas on humans. Most of the killer reputation comes from their hunting skills and dramatic appearances in aquariums or media. In reality, they're curious, social animals, but they demand respect. They are not pets or performers. They are rulers of the sea, and they behave accordingly. One of the most impressive examples of orca intelligence is their ability to learn from experience. In captivity, orcas have been known to mimic human behavior, solve puzzles, and even train the trainers by predicting routines. In the wild, they've been seen adapting hunting strategies based on the prey's defenses. In Patagonia, orcas time their beach attacks with the tides. In Norway, they slap fish with their tails to stun them. Each technique shows learning and innovation. Their communication skills are equally fascinating. Orcas use a series of clicks, whistles, and calls that are unique to each pod, almost like dialects or languages. These sounds help maintain group coordination, identify family members, and even share information about prey. Some researchers believe orcas may have the most complex vocal language in the animal world, possibly more nuanced than we can currently measure or interpret. But orcas are not only brilliant, they're emotionally complex. Observations show that they mourn their dead, carry deceased calves for days, and show signs of distress when separated from family members. Their emotional depth has raised ethical concerns about keeping them in captivity, leading to major debates about marine parks and the mental health of orcas in tanks. Many have now been banned from performing or breeding in captivity in several countries. Sadly, orcas face many modern threats: pollution, ship traffic, overfishing, and climate change are shrinking their food sources and contaminating their waters. In some areas, their numbers are declining due to low salmon populations or toxic buildup of chemicals like PCBs. These powerful animals are incredibly vulnerable to changes in the ocean, because no matter how intelligent or strong they are, they still depend on a healthy ecosystem to survive. There are even different types of orcas, known as ecotypes, with distinct behaviors, diets, and even appearances. For example, resident orcas in the Pacific Northwest eat fish and live in tight-knit family groups, while transient orcas hunt marine mammals and travel in smaller, quieter pods. There are also orcas in Antarctica that feed on penguins and use unique wave-washing techniques to knock seals off floating ice. These variations hint at a level of specialization rarely seen in marine life. Ultimately, the orca represents more than just power or intelligence. It symbolizes the delicate balance between nature's beauty and strength. They remind us that the ocean is a world of wonder, mystery, and deep interconnection. And they challenge us to protect that world, not just for their sake, but for ours as well. When we save orcas, we're also saving the health of the entire ocean. The orca, or killer whale, is a marvel of nature, fast, smart, social, and incredibly adaptable. But it's not their strength that makes them special. It's their brain, their family bonds, and their capacity to learn and feel. They are living proof that the ocean holds more than just life. It holds intelligence, emotion, and culture. And understanding orcas is one way of understanding the very soul of the sea. And that's our deep dive into the world of the orca. Which fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode about the planet's most fascinating creatures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wild.